Hey guys, here's a quick way you can qualify for multiple airdrops at once on multiple Ethereum layer 2s. I have the official link below in the description, check it out, and this is what you do. So you basically go on this website zkstars.io, and as you can see here, you can mint some NFTs, and this is not about the NFTs, this is about the fact that you can mint these on all of these different chains, and most of them haven't dropped the token yet, which is bullish. And what you do, you basically select an NFT, and NFT costs around 30 cents to $1, which is basically nothing. And you select which chain you want to mint it on, and you connect wallet. The only wallet it seems like you can choose is MetaMask, and you basically connect it, you add the chain, use MetaMask, and I have basically already done it, so I will not do it again, but this is basically the easiest way you can qualify for airdrops. And my recommendation is do more than just mint these NFTs on each chain if you want to qualify, and because I think the requirements to qualify for airdrops will be higher and higher as we reach a bull run. And another tip is leave at least $50 on each chain, because as many know, the Starknet basically didn't qualify people that had less than $20, like 0.0005 Ethereum, and many people that even had like 100 millions of volume traded on that testnet, not testnet, on the chain. They didn't even receive the airdrop because they didn't have at least like $20 on the chain on Ethereum, you know. So my advice is have at least $20 to $50. The best case scenario is when you have at least $100, because many chains don't even allow lower than $100 on the chain. So that's basically my recommendation. And are these safe? You can see that they have audited all the contracts, and here you can see there are at least 20 contracts, and it seems like they are all safe. I did it, I didn't get drained, so, but always do your research and check this website, ZK Stars, and yeah, that's basically it. That's the easiest way you can maybe qualify for airdrops. For these, there are at least 7 layer 2s, so check it out. Thanks for watching, subscribe for new alpha, and see you soon.